Welcome back, everyone. In this lesson, we will go over the concept of trading pairs in cryptocurrency and talk about the different uses of utilizing different trading pairs available. Let's first talk about what trading pairs are. So cryptocurrency exchanges typically act as the primary on-ramp for crypto purchases. Basic idea is that money is transferred from the user's bank account to their exchange account, and then that capital is then used to purchase cryptocurrency through the use of trading pairs. Trading pairs, in a simple way of thinking about it, they are just combinations of two currencies, where the first is the base currency, the desired currency, the one that you're exchanging for, and the second is the quote currency. This is the value of the base expressed in terms of the quote. Some examples of trading pairs include Bitcoin to the US dollar, ETH to the US dollar, and Doge to the US dollar. In each of these situations, you are typically, when you go to buy Bitcoin, you'll typically see something like this, Bitcoin to the US dollar, and you are buying Bitcoin and you are seeing its valuation expressed in terms of US dollars. So you have to have US dollars to buy the Bitcoin. Here's a visualization of this process. Stage one is converting the fiat, such as dollars, euros, Chinese yuan, into the crypto base currency. In this case, we're exchanging dollars into Bitcoins. There's another level of this where you can exchange crypto to crypto. Here we see something where we have our Bitcoin and maybe we want to exchange this for certain altcoins such as Monero, or maybe we have Ethereum, and there are certain coins on the Ethereum network that are not available on exchanges, but we want to purchase it. We can take our Ethereum off the exchange and purchase those coins using the Ethereum we already own. Here's just some examples. So this is on the Coinbase exchange, but typically every exchange has a similar format where you'll see a list of options of currencies that you can buy, sell, trade with. You see Bitcoin, ETH, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Solana, and more. And what we see is each one of these are valuated in terms of dollars, in this case, the US dollar in fiat currency. So we're seeing all these different trading pairs specifically focusing on the crypto into the US dollar valuation. So more on base currencies. Base currencies are a method to produce a mutually agreed upon value of differing assets. If you think about it, we're still exchanging things, right? So one person is buying, another person is selling, and vice versa. When you sell your crypto, another person is buying. So you are essentially exchanging goods on these crypto exchanges, and what we're using to exchange these and have a mutually agreed upon value is the base currency. This is often used when comparing exchange rates for fiat currencies in different countries. For example, if you are a traveler, you may experience this when you go to different countries. You need to exchange your home's currency for the currency of where you are visiting. For example, let's say you're an American, you're traveling to France, and you want to convert your US dollars into euros. US dollar would act as the base currency where you exchange the dollar for its value in euros. It's important to know what base currencies are accepted at your exchange of choice and what trading pairs are available. Not every exchange will have the same trading pairs available. Not every exchange will accept all the same base currencies. The most popular base currencies are the US dollar, the euro, Bitcoin, USDT, which is Tether, USDC, which is US dollar coin, and others. But Not every exchange will accept all of these. Not every exchange even accepts US dollars or euros. Some of them only will operate based on cryptos or crypto to crypto or crypto to stablecoin pairings. And this is something that we want to keep in mind as well. To help visualize this, here is our Bitcoin to US dollar. Here's our base currency. This is the currency you are buying when you trade the crypto pair. So we're buying Bitcoin, and its valuation is quoted in US dollars. This is the quote currency, or the currency you are selling when you trade the crypto pair.